this short video, we'll show you how to set up, clean, store, and get the most out of your Nurture Smart Crib and Floor Activity Gym designed to support your baby's development through sensory and physical play. To assemble the activity gym, insert each of the 4 legs into the sockets at the ends of the arches until they click into place. Pull the arches into the open position by rotating to the left. The integrated downward-facing mirror engages babies by reflecting their own image and is positioned at the ideal distance for their early developmental focal length. Our toys offer visual, auditory, and tactile stimulation and can be repositioned along the arch to keep your baby engaged. To attach a link, simply separate the 2 sides and insert it into any hole on the arch. Our textured links feature tactile bumps and ribs to stimulate touch, while our grip links offer added length and easy-to-hold handles. The first cause and effect feature is the fish bubble, which includes colorful beads that rattle inside the bubble, tactile bumps on the back, and 4 textured beads that slide and spin. The picture holder is perfect for displaying familiar faces, pets, or fun artwork. To load an image, open the back cover by pulling the yellow curve and slide in your image. To close the holder, use your finger to push the star back to the bubble. To secure the back, insert a link through both the upper hanging loops. The picture holder also includes a handle for grasping and a ribbed heart on the back for tactile play. The star spinner features a spinning ring that doubles as a grip and includes a bell that rings when shaken. The butterfly toy has 2 easy-to-grasp wings that rotate freely around its body. The entire gym has been designed to be completely cleanable. Wipe all surfaces with disinfectant wipes or a cloth dampened with mild soap and water, and be sure to rinse any cleaning solution thoroughly before the baby uses the gym. To store, you can leave the gym fully assembled and folded, or remove the legs for a more compact option. To fold, press the center button to unlock the arches, then rotate right to close. Now enjoy the Nurture Smart Crib and Floor Activity Gym and enhance your baby's development anywhere you want. Nurture Smart, designed for hospitals, loved by parents.